Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by shutting off the water supply and relieving system pressure. This prevents spills and makes cartridge removal safe. Once done, place a bucket and towel beneath the housing, then loosen the sediment housing ring with a wrench while holding the filter base. You remove the old sediment cartridge first because it captures large particles. Set it aside for disposal. Make sure to inspect the O-ring now for nicks so you avoid leaks when reassembling the new filter. You clean the housing interior and rinse it to remove residual sediment. This prevents contamination of the new carbon element. Then lubricate a clean O-ring with food-grade silicone and seat it evenly to ensure a watertight seal. Once the O-ring is in place, insert the new 5-micron sediment cartridge first, then the carbon block, aligning flow arrows with the system. Tighten housings by hand until snug, if needed. Finish with a small wrench, but avoid over-torquing, which can strip threads. You reopen the inlet slowly and bleed air from the downstream tap. Doing this slowly prevents pressure spikes and reveals any leaks. Once steady water flows, run the system for 5 to 10 minutes to flush carbon fines and restore normal taste and clarity. Make sure flow rate matches expected values. A large drop suggests misinstallation or a clogged per-filter. If you find a leak, shut off, depressurize, and reseat or replace the O-ring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.